How's it going, everybody? My name is McProseph, and this is our third Pokemon video in the series. And I just want to do a recap before we open our next 10 of what all we've opened. As you can see here, all these packs came from the dollar store. We paid roughly $20 for a $100 value. And if you want to know how we did that, make sure to watch the first Pokemon video where I explain towards the end. Today we're going to be opening up this small mini 10. And we're going to see what's inside. I believe there are 2 full packs in here. Also a coin and a few other miscellaneous items. I did want to let you know that since we're hitting 20k subs, I'm going to be doing some Roblox gift card giveaways in this video. I think there's 30 bucks total that's going to be in this video. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for clicking like and subscribe and helping the community grow. We're going to go ahead and open up this little mini 10 and see what we pull. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's go ahead and jump straight into things here. We already opened the 10, as you can see here, and let's go ahead and go through what is inside. As a quick recap, I did want to show that we got the Charizard VMAX in the very last video. If you have not gone to that video and commented, we are giving away all cards that were opened in that video, to include this, a $500 value in the very last video. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to go comment, because I'm doing a giveaway once it hits 1,000 views, and all you have to do is comment to win Charizard VMAX and whatever we opened in that video. I'm going to go ahead and show the code card here. First pack we have is a Sun and Moon. These 2 packs were both in this little 10, and boy, it was a snug fit. We also got a neat little coin. If you know this Pokemon, let me know in the comments the name. I'm falling so far behind on Pokemon, it's crazy. I don't know the card trick. I think it's 4 from the back, but you never know nowadays. We got a Drowsy. First things first, Drowsy, 70 HP, pretty cool. Psychic, Boom, and Headbutt. Neat stuff. As you can see, we also have the Roblox gift cards back here for those that play. We're going to be doing a $30 giveaway at the end of the video as well. We got Rowlet, Alolan Grimer, Spearow, Peck Bugs. What a move. I guess they're running out of ideas. Grubbin, very cool. Reverse Hollow Psyduck, that's pretty neat. We got some sleeves here. I'll be sleeving this guy up. We got Primarina as our rare. Pretty cool, non-hollow. Then we got our energy. Is this darkness energy? Somebody let me know. Is that darkness? Ooh, a Dragonair. One of my favorites. Very cool. We got the Dragonite in our 10 back here, if you can see it. That'll be our next opening. Golbat as an uncommon. Very cool. I remember when Golbat was a grass type. Shoutouts to Pokemon Catcher as our last uncommon. Let's go ahead and move over to our last pack here, Darkness Ablaze. Pretty cool stuff. If you didn't watch the very first video, make sure to check out that. I go over how to get about $100 worth of Pokemon cards with only 20 bucks. I got all of this from Dollar General, and by using a special promo that you will have access to, you can get a lot of free cards. Here's the code card again. Let's go ahead and do what we do. I don't know if this pack guarantees a reverse hollow in the same slot every time. I don't know. Shoutouts to Nickit with a tail whip. Reminds me of Vulpix. We got a Bound Sweet. Pretty cool. Snubble. Psychic type. Meltan. Good old another metal Pokemon. I'm really not a fan of metal Pokemon. Not at all. The originality and artwork just doesn't look great. Bunnelby. Got a Reverse Hollow Rose as the uncommon, and Toxtricity as our holofoil rare. Awesome. I don't know how rare that is. 160 damage for 3 energy seems pretty good. What's that? 63 out of 189. What's that say? Capable of generating 15,000 volts of electricity. This Pokemon looks down on all that would challenge it. Huh. Pretty cool stuff. We'll make sure to sleeve him. Got a Grass Energy, some Piers. Interesting. As our uncommon. Power Energy, and last but not least, a Toxapex. I think we got this in the last video as well. So we're going to go ahead and set the bulk to the side here. I also got this little piece of art in the tin. As you can see, it's got the nice little coffin there, and then whatever Pokemon this is, let me know in the comments. And on the back, you can feel free to pause and read some information about the Galarian Obstagoon. 862, wow. I remember when there was only 151. Memories. So many memories. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve our rares, and then cut to showing you the Roblox gift cards. 1 second, I'll BRB. Okay, as a quick little recap, in this little tin that we got from the Dollar General for $0, we got 2 packs, Darkness Ablaze and Sun and Moon, 10 cards in each. Here are the code cards in case you missed them. Feel free to redeem those. And feel free to pause the video and check out any of the bulk cards that we got. Again, all of these cards are going to be given away as soon as this video hits 1,000 views. So all you have to do is comment below and let me know which Pokemon is your favorite. And you qualify. We'll pick somebody at 1,000 views and be in contact and get you all these cards sent out. Drowsy, look at him. Just walking on a beach. Seems so random that a Drowsy would be on a beach. We also got this nice little coin. Still looking to figure out what Pokemon that is. I think it's something along the lines of Zeshiran or something. I have no idea. I'm a big Gen 1 guy, and that's as far as I got. Got a nice little art here with some stuff on the back. Let's go ahead and do one of these Roblox gift cards since you guys have been waiting. I'm just going to zoom in on the code that I just scratched off. And hopefully you guys can redeem that. Just a heads up. Only one person per code. So if you get the code, maybe save the other 2 for someone else. Let's do a quick overview of the pulls that I sleeved. We got a Psyduck, Primarina, Dragonair, pretty cool. Not a rare, but I like to sleeve cool cards. They don't have to be rare, but if they're nostalgic for me, I get a sleeve. Rose and Toxtricity. These Pokemon are getting harder and harder to pronounce. Toxtricity Hollow Rare. You guys let me know how much it costs. Let's do another Roblox gift card. There's the code. Here's kind of the instructions on how to redeem. Make sure you grab the code. I think every gift card is $10, so $30 value just this video alone. Hey McDaughter, come here. Here's the Charizard VMAX that we pulled in the last pack, or the last opening. Make sure to check out that video. Hey, can you say subscribe?
Subscribe.
Say thanks for watching.
Well, thanks for watching.
Alright, no. Let's do this last gift card. Last gift card, there's the code. The next opening is going to be this Dragonite 10 right here. And this is going to have, what do we got in here? Here's what all's in that 10. 10 packs, 3 cards each, so 30 cards plus the Dragonite. And we'll be doing that in our very next video. I'm really excited for that one because Dragonite is one of my favorite Pokemon, and we just got the Dragonair in this opening. Pretty cool stuff. Stick around for more. Thanks for the subs. Thanks for 20,000 likes. And 20,000 likes, that'd be something. 20,000 subs. I'll see you guys on the next one. McProseph out.